What's up guys, happy Vlogmas day 22! I'm halfway through my makeup and hair because Noah's just after waking up, and I've been up since like 8:30 myself, so I was like, look, I'll just get as much makeup and hair as I can done while he's sleeping. So he's just after waking up there now, going down to give him his breakfast, and he's just sitting here in the bed beside me while I'm trying to clean up all the makeup that I have everywhere. I am off into town to see the lights, go get some lunch and just hang out. We have always gone in to see the lights just coming up to Christmas. I love it. It's just, I don't know, it's just a tradition, a family tradition we've always done. We're bringing Noah this year because obviously he's part of the family. Paddy's working all day. He's off on Wednesday evening, so I'm so excited because he's going to be off for a really long time over Christmas. He gets like 2 full weeks off, which is just great. So we're going to have loads of time to do loads of things, and I might try and like do a little bit of vlogging or do a few videos after Christmas. Obviously I still have like my favorites to do, like my high-end favorites, my drugstore favorites, favorite palettes, and then the misses of the year, and also like miscellaneous favorites. So I have like 5 videos that I need to get filmed over Christmas or after Christmas. So there will be other kind of content, like beauty content, coming up. Also, I was reading through my comments last night. I didn't get to reply to everybody. I literally skimmed through the comments last night when I was lying in bed, but I will get to do the comments at some stage today about the sparkly top that I was talking about in Vlogmas day 19. Everyone's like, where'd you get it? Where'd you get it? I bought it on a website called Missy Empire, or was it Miss Pap? One of those websites. But I was looking for the sparkly top on Zara. I think I talked about that early in Vlogmas for so long and I couldn't find it. And then I found this one on one of the websites and I ordered it way back in the beginning of December. The only issue is I have checked every single website that I can think of to find it, and I can't find it anywhere. Even I've checked the website that I bought it from and it's like the product doesn't even exist. So I will try and find a link somewhere online to a sparkly top similar to it, or I'll try and find options. I thought maybe Boohoo might have one, or Misguided, ASOS. I literally went through like 4 or 5 websites this morning just in the little bit of time that I had, and I couldn't find it, but I will like dedicate a little bit of time to actually looking for it and linking it for you guys. The website that I bought it from, I can't find it on it, and I've typed in the name of the product and everything and I can't find it. So I will try and find a link for you guys. I'm not ignoring anybody who's looking for it or wants to know the product. I just can't find it online. I made some progress. I finished my makeup off and I just took out the pin curls. I'm gonna go back down to Noah now because he's in his jumperoo. I just came upstairs to grab my phone, text my mum and see what time she's coming over to get me at. Could drive in, but what's the point of bringing 2 cars in? She'll just pick me up, mum and dad, and we'll all just go in together. I'll have to get Paddy to put the car seat into my dad's car as well. I'll just get dressed when I'm leaving, and I haven't dressed Noah yet because I just gave him his porridge, and even though it goes all over his bib, it goes all over everything. So I'm gonna dress him now right before we leave, and I have no idea what I'm gonna wear because I just don't know what the weather is like outside. It looks kind of cold, but then you don't want to be wearing too many layers, so I don't know. I might wear a skirt and a cardigan, not a cardigan, a jumper, and maybe some tights and boots, or I might wear a dress, tights and boots. I don't know, I'm not really sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go back down to Noah. You know what, I hope he stays like this forever. For some reason there's a button open on his leg, but he's fast asleep in my arms, and it's just the most amazing thing ever. I just want him to be little for as long as possible. Look at his little tiny hands. I just love him. The outfit of the day, I'm just wearing these opaque tights with my new Chelsea boots, and I am wearing a spotty skirt that I got like a long time ago on Misguided or somewhere like that, I can't remember, and I've worn it, like I wear it in the summer, I wear it in the winter, I love it. I have this belt on which is silver, which annoys me because I have gold on my wristband or my Apple Watch, gold necklace, gold earrings, but I didn't have a gold belt, so I hate mixing metals. And then I'm just wearing this top from Penny's. It's just, I think I hauled it there not that long ago. It's just a really nice top. So there's the OOTD. Obviously I'm not going to just wear this. I also have my cream scarf, and I'm going to wear my long black jacket as well. I need to put more lipstick on. I just washed half of it off while I was brushing my teeth. Anyway, ready to go. Noah's ready to go, packed up. I have his nappy bag ready, so I'll bring you along to see the lights.
What do you want? Da da da.
Flying now.
Da da da. And he doesn't love the
Do you not love your hat, Noah?
Yep.
Okay. Walking through Temple Bar. I want to show you the Temple Bar pub. It's so cute. Up to Grafton Street to see the lights. We went into Jervis, parked in there, did a little bit of shopping, not much, just like 2 minutes of like shopping, then got something to eat, and now we're just like I said, walking around looking at the lights. And Noah's kind of paying attention to the lights. I didn't think he would, but he actually is. He's looking at everything and he's so quiet. Yes, you are. We're just down Grafton Street and the lights are lovely. They're always lovely. We come in to see them every single year, even though I know what they look like, but it's still nice to just walk around and now do a tradition with Noah as well.
Good.
Guys, the Westbury looks absolutely gorgeous. They really go all out every Christmas, but it just looks spectacular this year. at 10:45. Look, Noah, there's Santi. Come in. Yay! Back home now. We had such a lovely day. It was just so nice to spend with family. Just me, mum, dad, Dylan, Ollie and Noah. We had just such a lovely time. I'm really upset that Paddy couldn't come because he would have had such a lovely time as well, but he obviously was working. But I mean, we've had a lot of years together to do all those things. Noah is just gone to sleep, so I think he might be down for the night. It is 9:30. So last night he went down at 9:30 and he slept until quarter to 11 this morning, 10:30. He might just go down now for the night and sleep. I don't know, we'll see. He's on like kind of a new sleep routine and he didn't sleep that much today. Like, he didn't have very many naps. He was in great form, such good form, looking at all the Christmas lights and like the Santi and Jervis Street going up and down the thing where we used to look at that when we were kids. It's just really nice. I got him a little Christmas decoration and I got a few bits for myself as well, just like shopping, and I finished off the last of my Christmas things, which was just something small for my dad. I'm gonna go get into my PJs right now, take off all this makeup and relax, I think, with a movie and maybe a packet of crisps. Hi guys, I'm just ending the vlog right now. I've only just finished editing Vlogmas Day 20. It's going to have to go up in the morning, and Vlogmas Day 21 it'll go up tomorrow night. I just am obviously exhausted. Here, look at my face. And we're watching Hunger Games. Well, I didn't really get to watch much of it because, like I said, I've been editing. It's well after midnight. I don't even know what time it is. It's 12:15. So it's way too late for me to even start uploading that video. So I'll just have to wait till the morning, and I'm gonna go to bed right now because I'm so tired. Like, I actually don't even know how I'm alive right now. I'm that tired. But you're not tired. Look at him over there.
Working.
Yeah, working as well. Anyway, I'm gonna take this face off and I'm going to brush my teeth and get into bed. I just can't wait to sleep in a cloud. I hate the fact that I have makeup on right now and I have to go remove it and cleanse my skin. Anyway, good night guys. Talk to you tomorrow.